Gracie Keenan. We are here today to talk about the electromagnetic spectrum. Gracie, what is the 7 regions?
I'm Emily.
Okay, so let me just look in my book. Right. The 7 regions of electromagnetic radiation are gamma radiation. X-ray radiation. Not that yummy. Ultraviolet radiation. Visible radiation. Infrared radiation. Terahertz radiation and microwave radiation. So Liv, what is the highest wavelength? Well, Gracie, that's a good question. The main types of electromagnetic radiation. Radio waves have the lowest frequencies, the longest wavelengths, while gamma waves have the highest frequencies and the shortest wavelengths. The wavelengths vary across the electromagnetic spectrum from about 10 to 15 metres to more than 104 metres. So, Gracie, so Maisie, so Emily, so Liv, you ask Maisie what the highest frequency is. So Maisie, what's the highest frequency? Goodbye. Radio waves have the lowest frequency and the longest wavelengths, while gamma waves have the highest frequency and the shortest wavelengths. The wavelengths vary across the electromagnetic spectrum from about 10 to 15 metres to more than 105 metres. Liv, what is the highest energy? Well, to be honest, Maze, the radio waves, on the other hand, have the lowest energies, the longest wavelengths, and the lowest frequency of any type of AB radiation. In order from the highest to lowest energy, the sections of the EM spectrum are named gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet radiation, visible light, infrared radiation, and radio waves. Gracie, what is the lowest frequency? So, Maisie, the lowest frequency, radio waves, on the other hand, I have the lowest energies, longest wavelengths, and lowest frequencies of any type of E&M radiation. In order from highest to lowest energy, the sections of EM spectrum are named gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, ultraviolet radiation, visible light, infrared radiation, and radio waves. Maisie, what is the lowest energy, might you say? The electromagnetic spectrum consists of radio waves, microwaves, a type of radio wave, infrared rays, visible light, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and gamma rays. Waves with the longest wavelength have the lowest frequency. Waves with the shortest wavelength have the highest frequency. Emily, what are the uses for the spectromagnetic system? Pardon? Emily, what are the uses for the electromagnetic spectrum?
Well, Maisie, X-rays are used in medicine to treat internal organs. X-rays are produced by firing electrons at a metal target. and gamma rays are emitted by the nucleus of radioactive atoms. Infrared radiation is in heat-sensitive thermal imaging cameras. These can be used to study human and animal body heat patterns, but more often they are used at night vision cameras. Terahertz radiation can penetrate fabrics and plastics, so it can be used in surveillance, such as security screening, to uncover concealed weapons on a person remotely. Electromagnetic radiation that is visible to the human eye and is responsible for the sense of light. This is the use of visible radiation. Our eyes see the reflection of the sunlight off to objects around us. X-rays are one of the most common and beneficial uses of X-rays is for medical imaging. X-rays are also used in treating cancer and exploring the cosmos. Hospitals use UV lamps to sterilise surgical equipment and the air in operating theatres. Food and drug companies also use UV lamps to sterilise their products. Radio waves used to transmit television and radio programs. Television uses higher frequencies than radios. Microwaves with a certain wavelengths are absorbed by water molecules and can be used for cooking. Water in the food absorbs the microwave radiation, which causes the water to heat up and cook the food. That is all from me.
Thank you, goodbye.
Thank you, goodbye from us, and have a nice day.